You're right everyone, welcome to another super quick video that's literally just cobbled together. You've just got me today as Alana's busy at work. This is going to be a super quick review on the Yokohama Geolander's all-terrain G015 tyre. I'm only going to say super quick review because I'm not entitled to actually do a review on this. We brought these with the wheel from another Freelander 2 off-road group member. We brought the wheels, the tyres come on it. We were initially going to change the tyres straight away, but we chose just to run them out, see how they went. Overall, as far as tyres go, if you're looking for an all-terrain tyre for Freelander 2 or similar off-roader, you want to daily your car, like daily driver as well, you don't want it just for off-roading, you want a good mix of tyre, then I don't think you can go too far wrong with this tyre. It's suited us down to the ground for what we've needed. With everything on our YouTube channel apart from I think Avalanche and Bristol, the very first few videos, everything else has been done on these tyres. As far as off-road going, we have not had no issues with this tyre. It's gripped all the time. We're only changing these just because we're going on a lot more adventures, a lot more trips, and we just want something a bit more grippy. I think I'd use terms as they're a solid tyre, not solid in construction, they're very soft construction. In fact, that was the one thing that surprised us. The only downside to these tyres is wet condition. You can feel they're not as grippy when roads get greasy and wet, but you know what, overall you're not really going to notice it that much. I think in total we've only done about 6,000 miles on these. These back ones are a bit more worn than the front ones, so yeah, if you're in the market for an all-terrain tyre, I'd definitely say give these a go. That's my super quick review. I'm now off to get a new set of boots for the girl, and I'll probably see in the next clip with the new set of tyres on her. And just to finish off, here's the tyre that we've gone for. We've gone for a Falken Wildpeak. In the Freelander circles, generally it seems like you go for general grabber, these, or BF Goodrich. We didn't go for BF Goodrich because they're another 50 quid at least on top of these, and my logic was that if you were to get a puncture or do some damage to a tyre while off-roading, 50 quid for a new tyre each time is pretty expensive. We'll do a review once we've used them a decent amount of time and give our thoughts, feelings towards them. Yeah, I don't know what it is about new tyres, but there's just something very satisfying about brand new tyres and just the tread depth. Unfortunately, it don't last for long because this car will soon cover some mileage. Like I say, a few trips, a few adventures. But yeah, for now, well happy with these. They look amazing on the car. There you go, just give you a little shot from the front. Nice chunky tyres. Well happy with these. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. Check out some of our other videos. But for now, I'll see you in the next video, whenever that may be. Cheers, guys.